y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Can you guys believe Christmas is it's basically here. This year has gone by so fast. And I also want to take a moment and say thank you so much to each and every one of you. I started my channel in June, so for half of the year, you guys have made this channel grow and I appreciate it so much. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. And again, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We do lots of fun stuff here, unboxings of all sorts, review videos, haul videos. It's always a great time. And as always, please do give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. It does really help me out. And leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. But as you can see from the description, we have our December 2018 Boxy Momma. I love this subscription. It is always so much fun. And in all honesty, you don't have to be a mom. I mean, some of the stuff in it is amazing just in general. It's just great. So, don't think that you have to be a mom to order the box. It is $39.99 a month. And it's amazing. There's a different theme every month and I just love it. So we are going to dive in and let me get my box cutter and cut it here. I cannot wait. I do know the theme, which is Slay the Holidays, but it's like slay, like Santa sleigh, slay the holidays. So, okay. So this is what it looks like when we open it. Or slay the season. I'm sorry, I see the card here. It says slay the season. So we will put that to the side because that tells us. And then it says it will always give you like a little clue to next month's box. It says what's next. It says get ready for the new year with our resolution ready mama box. So there is that. And then, there's a card. Well, let's look at that. That is cute. Okay. Oh, this card is so adorable. It says merry and bright. And there's a really pretty star up here. It says, may happiness, joy, and good cheer be with you now and throughout the new year. Happy holidays. Thanks for being a Boxy Mama. Wishing you a merry season filled with happiness and love. Sarah. She's the curator of the box. That is awesome. That is so sweet that she takes the time to put a personalized card into each box. I pay for this subscription. This is not sent to me for review. So she does this, I'm assuming, for every single subscriber, which is amazing. To take the time to do that small touch, that's awesome, you guys. I love it. Then we have a card here. Oh, it says naughty or nice. Oh, it's for them to review the box. It says, I can't talk, y'all. Season's greetings, Mama. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever way you are celebrating this year, I hope it brings you joy. But let's be honest for a second. We are moms. This time of year can be stressful as heck. What would this time of year be without us moms? Between the shopping, the wrapping, the baking, the decorating, the cleaning, and everything in between, especially that responsibility that it comes with SC and that gosh darn elf on the shelf. Yes. This monthly Slay the Season. This month, Slay the Season with the Slay the Season box, filled with goodies to help you get through December and this crazy time of year. Remember to take time and enjoy the season for what it's worth and meant for. Make memories with your family, give love, and be happy. You deserve it. Wishing you a wonderful and truly merry holiday season. That is awesome. So I have the card here that tells us everything that is in the box. So this is what it looks like. So let's peel this sticker and peel back. All right. So here's what we see. I don't want anything to fall out. Here's what we see when we open. And the first thing I see on top here, this is super cute. It says, "Merry everything and happy always." That is so cute, and it's got like a wire hanger. That is adorable. "Merry everything and happy always. Wishing you a wonderful season and new year full of happiness and fun. Hang this on your tree, your door, wherever you need a reminder." This is from Primitives by Kathy. This is super cute. I love this. And I love like the plaid background and it's wooden. Super cute. Love it. And then next, ooh, okay. Let's see this. This is from Yes To. Say yes to whatever this season throws your way. Say yes to a little me time with a mask from Yes To brand. I love this brand because they don't test on animals and are made in the US of A. So this is the Yes To Cotton Comforting Mud Mask. Yes To having a soft spot for cotton extract and cottonseed oil that help prevent irritation while gently nourishing, softening, and refreshing delicate skin. It's 95% natural ingredients. It says mud mask, but then it says one mask, and it almost feels like I'm trying to see if it's moving around. It is. Okay, so yeah, it's a mud mask. It almost felt like a sheet mask at first, but it's moving. So yay, I love getting masks. That's awesome. And what are you? This is from Manicadar. This Feel Prime with this Prime Time from Manicadar Beauty. Use this primer on your eyes to prevent smudges or creasing from shadows. Use it on your lips to prevent feathering and fading. Plus, it can be used as a concealer or highlighter. Score. So yeah, that is awesome. Love that. All about it. And moving right along, what are you? You look yummy. Oh, you look really yummy. Where are you? While you're doing all the running around this season demands, have a snack on the go from Popcornopolis. It's the perfect size for your purse or diaper bag. Yes, I will. Caramel corn with chocolate flavored stripes. Ah, yes. I may have to share this with my best friend because she loves caramel and we both do. So I may have to share with her. It is the holiday season. I'll share. So yay, yummy. And what are you? This is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, so it's like a little bangle bracelet. It says she believed she could, so she did. This says she believed she could, so she did. Believe in the spirit of the season. Believe in yourself. So many reasons that you need a cute reminder for your wrist. These Believe bangles are from Zad Jewelry. That is super cute. So, so cute. All right. And then we have this is Doc Martin. This is Badass Mom coffee infused eye serum. Badass moms need a badass serum. Slay the season with your baggy eyes or dark circles with this awesome coffee-infused serum from Doc Spartan, an awesome veteran-owned small business. It says to place 1 drop of serum and gently pat under eyes and on wrinkles. So yeah, yay for serum. And ooh, I saw this. Ooh, yay, I'm so excited. Okay. This is so awesome to get in a subscription box. I am just tickled right now. Slay the season with some holiday hand soap from Bath & Body Works. Always a mom favorite. You can never go wrong with some wonderful scented soap from Bath & Body Works. And no ma'am, you cannot. This is in Marshmallow Flurries. And I love how sparkly it is. It's so cute. And this will go perfect in my guest bathroom because that bathroom has like a blue theme. So yay. I have the winter candy apple in my kitchen because I have a red accent wall in there. So yes, this is going to go right into the guest bathroom. Yay! Yay! I'm excited. It looks like we have one more item. Oh, what are you? Oh, I love this. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, my husband is going to love this too. This time of year can be frustrating and stressful. Extra traffic, long lines. Just say, son of a nutcracker, and move on with your day. Enjoy this cute holiday decor from Primitives by Kathy. You guys, how awesome is that? We literally just watched Elf the other day, and he says that, son of a nutcracker. So this is so cute. I love it. I love how sparkly the sides are. It is gorgeous. This is going to find a home very quickly. So I am so excited about this. I don't know what was my favorite. It's probably a tie between this and this. Everything was great. But love me some Bath & Body Works, and this is just super cute. Like I said, I love how sparkly. So sparkly. Amazing. So that was the December 2000. I'm covered in glitter now, which is fine. This time of year, I always am. So that was the December 2018 Boxy Momma. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. You know, have you ever tried this subscription? I am super excited. I just am in love with it. This box, yet again, was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please do give me a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And leave in the comments what you guys thought. And I hope you have a great day. I will talk with you soon. Bye.